is how you know a car guy is excited. I woke up, checked my phone, checked my tracking for my bumper, and it was here, like sitting outside. I didn't even get ready or anything. I literally just put my clothes on, walked outside, got the bumper. So check this stuff out. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. My bumper's here. Hell yeah. Woo. Let's hope and pray that it's not broken. Fuck yeah, dude. I'm so happy right now. So, before I destroy this box by opening it, I wanted to show this to you. This is pretty funny. Right. Aw, thanks guys. I'm so excited to get this thing on my car. It is ready. Yes! Alright, let's open this thing. So, I did want to go ahead and say I did get this bumper from KFD TEAM or KFD Tuning Shop out of Russia. They did give me a really good deal on this bumper in return that I do a review for them and put it on my YouTube channel right here. They make bumpers and body parts, and they make angle kits and all that for like Toyota chassis vehicles. So like the IS300, the Altezza, you know, like the Chaser models, the JZXs, and they have some really cool stuff. So if you're in the market, definitely go check them out and let them know you saw this video, and maybe they'll hook you up. I don't know. But yeah, so let's get to putting this thing on the car. So this bumper did not come with the holes pre-drilled, so I'm going to drill them. And then got my grill here. See if I can stick her in here so you can see what it looks like. It's gonna look damn good. Woo! Alright, let's get to drilling these holes. Alright, so I got the holes drilled. There's another one under here. And then obviously that side's done too. And I got the grill mounted. Oh, this is gonna look so good. I'm so excited, I'm out of breath. Woo. Alright, let's take her downstairs. Yo, don't judge. type save lives, bro. It's a drift car, guys. I mean, look at that. Yeah. This is awesome. This is what this car needed. Now it just needs some paint to match the rest of the car. But, whew, damn, that's good. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Stoked. Fucking stoked. Would you look at it? Hold on, let me put the wheels straight so you can see how it looks with the wheels. Hell yeah, I'm excited, man. Oh man, my fucking wheels are dirty already. Just wash the steering wheel. Son of a bitch. Oh. 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 Rick Ross. Whoa. Whoa. Yee. Guys, if you can't tell, I am excited. Yo, KFD, bro. Where my sticker at? You didn't send no stickers, dude. I need a KFD sticker. Come on, man. Maybe I need to look through my stuff more, but I don't see no stickers, bro. Where the stickers at, though? So, all right, y'all. I'm gonna end this video here. I'm about to go help my buddy with his manifold on his VR4, and yeah. I'm so excited right now. I need to get some paint for this thing, but it's a little cold, and I'm not gonna paint it when it's cold because it'll just look like garbage. So I'm gonna wait till the next warm day, and then I will put some paint on it, and I'll paint the side skirts too, and the whole car will match again, and it'll look good. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, hit the like button, leave me a comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.